LeddarTech, a disruptive automotive software provider. Advanced driver assistance systems enable improved driver performance and increased vehicle and road safety. These systems help reduce traffic injuries and fatalities by using various sensors to detect and compensate for driver errors, and also warn drivers of dangers that they may not be able to see. These systems are touted as safe and accurate. The AAA says otherwise. Researchers in the study examined the frequency of glitches in active driver assistance systems. They looked at the course of 4,000 miles of common driving scenarios and found that on average, there was a malfunction in these systems every 8 miles. In fact, 73% of errors that occurred in public roads were linked to lane departure or driving too close to a guardrail or the centerline. LeddarTech believes that to produce safer and more reliable vehicles, they should emulate the human model of sensing. Much like how our brains operate, our cars should fuse all sensor data into one environmental model using what's called low-level fusion. Today, most ADAS applications are using object-level fusion, which means the perception is done separately on each sensor, which is not optimal because when sensor data is not fused before the system makes a decision, it may need to do so based on contradicting inputs. For example, if an obstacle is detected by the camera but was not detected by the LiDAR or radar, the system may hesitate as to whether the vehicle should stop. The LeddarVision process starts with raw data being received directly from the vehicle sensors via software API, being calibrated and then fused centrally at the ECU, and ends with the environmental model being created. The decisions are then made using all the combined sensor data for a safer and more reliable outcome. Consumers demand quality, increased safety, and high performance from their advanced driving assistance systems. LeddarTech's low-level fusion and perception software is designed to meet the safety standards and deployment capabilities required by the industry and regulators at a more competitive price point. Real innovation and a commitment to safer transportation truly differentiates LeddarTech.